Chitons have an oval-shaped body with 8 plates. They're related to the gastropods, the bivalves, and the cephalopods.
Chitons are a marine mollusk and belong to the phylum Mollusca, and so are everything they're related to. A mollusk is a soft-bodied invertebrate that must have a shell to protect them. The main characteristics of the phylum Mollusca is to have an unsegmented body, a presence of an internal or external shell, a muscular foot, a mantle, which is a fold in the body wall that lines the shell, and a radula, which is a toothed tongue. This is the dorsal side. This is the above view, where you'll see the shell. This is the ventral side, which is the bottom view, where you'll see the unsegmented body. The unsegmented body is mainly the foot. When you take a deeper look inside, you'll see that the foot is in the center part of the area. What lines the outside of the foot are the gills, which is how they're able to breathe. Then you have the anus found all the way at the bottom, and at the other end you find the head, and at the center of the head is the mouth. Inside the mouth is where the radula, their toothed tongue, is found at. Now the green part that you see outside, outlining the entire chiton, is the mantle and is what's found underneath the shell. More specifically, within the phylum Mollusca, chitons belong to the class Polyplacophora. Within Polyplacophora, there has to be 8 calcareous plates that overlap to form a linear chain, which you can see here on the dorsal side. There's also the mantle, which surrounds the body, develops into a thick girdle that often contains spines and bristles to protect them from predators. Another fascinating feature of this class is that they have a poorly developed head, which you can see here. It contains no eyes and only the mouth. Chitons have separate sexes and undergo external fertilization. Male and females release gametes into the water or in the mantle cavity of the female. The fertilized egg has a tough spiny coat and hatches free a trochophore larva. There are no intermediate or veliger stages between the larva and the immature adult. What happens instead is a segmented shell gland forms on one side of the larva, and on the other side the foot forms in this metamorphosis stage. When this immature adult is ready to fully become an adult, what will happen is that it will elongate its body, and the shell gland secretes plates of shell to be able to create its 8 calcareous shell plates.